Rumors said that the latest iPhone 13 launch by Apple will be packed with Apple's signature notch that has been existing since the iPhone 10 era. However, for the first time since 2017, Apple has made an improvements on the notch, making it 20% smaller than the previous generations. Apple said barely can switch from the notch since it is not only contains a selfie camera, but also some other sensors for Face ID facial scanners. Other various components include selfie camera, infrared camera, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, flood illuminator, dot projector, speaker, and microphone. Face ID needs many components. Face ID's own security features require a variety of sensors to perform in-depth face mapping. Thus, getting a detailed pictures of the user's face is very important to optimally use this function. The notch is said to come with various features including flood illuminator, dot projector, infrared camera, and etc. These features work together to scan points on the contours of the face and map them into facial shapes with the help of neural engine. Later, the result of the face mapping are juxtaposed with the user's face taken using the selfie camera. If their face match with the face recorded on the system, their smartphone will automatically unlock.